Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00963 error in Oracle database 12c. Okay, let me open the SQL Plus editor, log in as a user called C#Scott common user, which I already created. Okay, make sure that you have enough permissions to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table. So create table statement. So I am going to create one table called demonstration. Okay, so create table demonstration interval day to hour. So it's throwing the error ORA-00963 unsupported interval type. So we need to check the Oracle documentation. What are the supported interval types? See here, day to hour, day to minute also not supported. So day to seconds. So day to seconds is the day to second is the correct interval type. Okay. So interval day to second is the correct interval type. Okay, now you can see the demonstration table is got created. So check the Oracle documentation for the correct interval type to fix this issue.